is Nobuko. I'd like to start with the Nobuko's kitchen. Today is the menu is pork kimchi. Very good for to get it the stamina, and there are good for to the spicy menu also. So let's do it. Here we go. Okay, so I'd like to introduce the what they use. Okay, alright. First item is a pork, onion, Japanese mirin, Japanese sake. This is a gochujang, and the garlic, sesame oil, and of course we use for kimchi. Okay, let's try to cooking. Start. To half. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. First, I put into the garlic with the gochujang. This is the basic sauce. Okay, that's finished. Okay, let's start. First is the sesame oil. So next is the pork. sauce. kimchi. This is a very good for to the stamina dishes. So enjoy for to the cooking. See you next time. Bye bye.